Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Swiftkey settings so you can change predictions directly. Once done, confirm Swiftkey is your current keyboard in System Input Methods. This unlocks the options you need. Now tap Typing to reveal prediction and suggestion controls. You're doing this because disabling suggestions there prevents unwanted word completions and maintains personalized typing. Make sure to proceed now to the prediction controls so you can toggle the exact feature off and avoid guessing while you type. Once in typing, find the Suggestions or Typing and Autocorrect section and focus on the prediction toggles. You will turn off Show Predictions and optionally Autocorrect. This removes the word bar and automatic replacements. If you want fewer interruptions but keep corrections, toggle only Show Predictions and leave Basic Autocorrect. After making changes, return to a message app and test typing to confirm the suggestions are gone. If not, double-check you changed options in the active Swiftkey profile. To finish, clear Swiftkey's typing data or clipboard if previously learned words still appear. This erases old suggestions. Once done, update the app from your store or reinstall Swiftkey to fix persistent toggle issues. If resigning predictions still shows suggestions, make sure no other keyboard or system-level text suggestion setting is enabled because system and app settings can conflict. If problems persist, restart your device after changes. That often forces settings to apply correctly and resolves leftover behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.